Gina with WTI. If you've ever spent any time inside an RV, then you know that you can get a major draft coming down from the vents in the ceiling, or in the summertime, a lot of heat. So this solution from RVINGPRO is perfect for eliminating both of those problems. We put this insulated 16-inch by 16-inch vent fan cover in the bathroom of our 40-foot RV. It fits perfectly in there. This comes with adhesive Velcro strips. They're really simple to install. You just peel off the back, stick it on. Press hard so that it stays in place. And then this is so nice because you can take the cover down when you want to use the fan and then immediately replace it when you're done to really help with temperature control. I like that this is a lighter gray color with a little honeycomb pattern on the fabric because it's nice to have a lighter color on the ceiling so it's not like a black hole. We're really pleased with it, and that's our point of view.